This is the service elevator at the Evans Savings Building in downtown Akron, Ohio. This is a Ross elevator with innovation decorator. This is sadly modded. This thing is kind of temperamental. The buttons are really temperamental. Thing is done. A manual two-speed door in the back. I think the basement's locked. 3. Where should we go? This one there's a few floors. I don't know how heavy I modded this one. I think this is hydro. Really slow and smooth. I don't know if this is Rossboro modded by Ross or if it's Ross modded by Ross. We're still in one. No, we're in the basement. What? I couldn't feel this thing at all. I guess it's just smooth. I guess the basement button doesn't work at all. But the indicator still says 1. Okay, we're definitely going up now. Is the indicator going to even change? I take that as a no. Okay, I guess it changed for 3. That was 3 that door. No, I'm guessing only dock is that door. Yeah, dock, I think it's only dock. That is some very attractive wallpaper. Come back to number 1.
Nice to meet you.
I think it'll go down. The basement did that too. Yeah, we're going down. And phone. It's a worn wood cab. This thing seems very temperamental. Certificate. I guess the position I think is messed up. This elevator seems messed up. Are we even on 1? Yeah, we're on 1. Yeah, close enough, that's gonna be it.